Rwy wedi gweithio yma am 9 mis.
For 5 years now.
And I've worked here for 4 years.
For 8 weeks.
6 mlynedd diwetha.
Here for 6 months.
I worked here for 3 months.
For the last few years.
For 7 years.
Mae'r cynulliad cenedlaethol yn lle wych i weithio.
You get a front row seat to politics in action.
And you're part of how that makes
Cymru yn well.
I bawb sy'n byw yma.
It's a place where you feel like you're part of something.
Part of a family.
Part of a team.
Mae'r ysbryd tîm yn amlwg iawn yma.
It makes the job more enjoyable.
We're encouraged to understand our own skills.
A beth y gallwn ni gyflwyno i'r tîm.
As well as getting ongoing support.
Ar gyfer NVQ mewn busnes a gwynyddu.
We are actively encouraged to take part in the learning at work sessions.
Lle ydych chi'n dysgu sut i ofalu am eich iechyd meddwl.
manage stress and well-being.
Pwysigrwydd eich rôl.
Organisational development skills.
Sut i fod yn arweinydd a llawer mwy.
I feel like the Assembly cares about me learning more about me.
My skills and my development.
I'm glad I found an organisation that values its staff.
And provides accessible opportunities.
For career progression.
Yn gwybod fy mod wedi cael y gefnogaeth ar arweiniad angenrheidiol.
Dros y 7 mlynedd diwethaf.
Our values are pride,
Passion and respect.
Ensure we work as one team.
Regardless of age, race.
Gyfeiriadaeth, rhywiol.
Gender or belief.
Gyda un weledigaeth.
to help make Wales a better place.
Something we can all be proud of.
Your opportunity to be part of this journey
Starts now.
Ymunwch â ni.
And be a part of the future Wales we all want to see.
We are staff support.
Yw rheolwyr.
Directors.
We are one team.
And we're one team.
One team.
Un tîm.
Dyn ni'n un tîm.
We are one team.
One team.
waiting for you.